use a brow pencil and do it. But they do the actual pencils, but they do a chocolate stick one.
So everybody, I am finally back home. Just really tired now. I really liked my outfit today. So yeah, I think I'm gonna make a video about like outfits, like how am I gonna style this leopard print jacket. I really like this jacket. It's such a fancy jacket. I don't remember from where I got it, to be honest. Like I'm not really sure. I think from the mall. I don't know. So but I like it. I'm gonna go get more clothes if I make a video today. So I want to show you like 5 different looks using this jacket. So let's see if I can do it. But yeah, I'm finally home, and then I just went like, you know, just to do sunbathing. Honestly, yeah, I just wanted to like walk around, and obviously I definitely go to shops if I'm going out of the house. So that's what I did. And then I did buy some stuff. I bought it from Poundland. So the first thing I bought is like tissues. I really needed like tissues on my like bedside table, so I got those. And then I got like tissues which I carry around. I'm a big tissue fan. So I've got like small, as you can see, small packs of tissues. I like to just carry one of these in my handbags. So that's why I got that. It's both like £1 each. And then I got a big kitchen roll tissue because I keep cleaning my kitchen. So I need a tissue like this. So it's just £1 again. Very cheap. And then I got like bleach because I ran out of bleach. I cleaned my toilet bowl using bleach, so I got that. And then I got like this toilet bowl, fresh bowls, you know, to clean the toilet. So I really like it. £1 again. Everything is like pound 20 pence, something like that. And then I got like, you know, I really wanted, you know, pads, so I got this Always. And then I got one more Always again. So yeah. And then I got another one Always again. So in here, like, I don't know, like, let me tell you, when I first came, I didn't know like they have numbering, and I bought like the number 1. Okay, this is 3rd. Can you see the number? The 3rd. Maybe it tells you the length of the pad. So I bought one, and it was so tiny. It's like this much. I was like, what the hell? The pads over here are like really awful. Like, it's too small. Later, after buying like bunch of them, I realized, okay, they have numbering. Like, nobody told me, so I'm telling you, they've got numbering here. So this is the 3 is like really big. 2 for my body type is fine, like 2. Yeah, it's long enough for me. But sometimes I use 3 if I'm like, you know, if I'm on my second day and I'm sleeping. So I usually use 3. And then this is 3 again. Yeah, I don't know why I bought 3. But yeah, that's 3 pads, and that's about it for the shopping. I'm done. So I'm gonna end the video right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and make one more video, and I'll have 3 videos. Yeah, since I've put a lot of effort doing this much makeup. Oh, I've got makeup stuff as well. So I did buy a couple of makeup products. Let me quickly show you just a couple of them. So this is a really amazing lipstick. Look at that. I love this lipstick. It looks beautiful. I hope it looks good on my skin tone. And then I got this concealer. It's like, you know, to highlight your under eyes. So I was running out of my you know, concealers. I got this one. So I'm gonna just quickly clean up my mess and charge my phone, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a video. yeah. I'm gonna make a video. So yeah, but this video I'm gonna end it right here. I hope you enjoyed, and if you really like such vlog videos, make sure you subscribe my channel, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.